Yo, what's going on, you guys? We got another little Mega Evolutions mini tin pack opening today. And we're just going to get right into it. Can't wait. Been opening up a few Phantasmal Flames lately, but I think due for some Mega Evolutions. My gosh, I can't get this plastic off. It's always so difficult. Yeah, the Venusaur mini tin. And I believe this comes with one pack of Mega Evolutions and one pack of Destined Rivals. Alright. We're gonna put this bad boy up. Top chasing this one is that Mewtwo, but really I just want that Typhlosion. Let's hope for the best. Dark End Synergy, Arven, Scovent, Nidoran, Morotom, Growlithe, Hypno, Arbok, Spikemouth Gym, Dwebble, that's a Toddle, and Misty's Gyarados. That's La Hollow. Alright, Mega Evolutions, here we go. Crazy. I just picked up another one of these like booster boxes for Mega Evolution, so hopefully I will be able to make a video of that soon. Magnemite, Vulpix, Bulbasaur, Surfing Beach, a Scorch, Stonjourner, and an Ultra Ball, a nice little Beware, and a Clawitzer. Nice. Just a couple water hollows today, nothing crazy.